Guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into the Bendigo Bank. Now for you to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. After your web browser opens up, on the search bar type in BENDIGO bank and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be on the home page of Bendigo Bank. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply fill in your access ID here and then click on this next button. Once you do that, you will be redirected to another page where you'll have to fill in your password, and once all your credentials are verified, you will be logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.